This is a very special video because actually today is my very first video. I'm going to be telling you, giving you some Rocky's character analysis. We're going to be analyzing these three characters. The first character is pronounced Zai. The second character is pronounced Zai. And the third character that we will be learning is pronounced Zai. You may notice something, that all of these three characters are actually fourth tone characters, right? They're all fourth tone characters and they all are pronounced the same way. But as you can see, they actually are very, very different meanings. And today I'm going to be explaining to you and telling you how to use these different characters. Even though they sound the same, I will be explaining to you some sentence structures. Okay, now if you bear with me. Now let's begin. 我们开始. Our first character that we're going to be learning, I have to move the advanced graphics machine over here. Okay, the first character that we're going to be looking at is this character, Zai. And if you notice, this Zai means at, or is also referred to as the location. Now let's look at this first sentence structure. And let's read, where is our character? Our first character of the day is right here somewhere in the sentence. Where is it at? It's right here. Okay, you'll notice it's inside the sentence. Now let's read the sentence. 他是在里看比赛. Okay, let's read that again. 他是在家里看比赛. You know, I actually like speaking Chinese. Now, this character says where. Where, here's a character. Where is our character? What does it refer to? It refers to 家. 家 is home. And particularly, this character, Li, refers to what? It is also referring to this character of 家. Li is inside. So, the person, 他是在家里看比赛 is inside his home. Okay, where is he at? Inside his home, or he's at home. And what is he doing? He's 这个看. He's looking at the game. 比赛. Now let's look at the next sentence structure that I want you to look at. It involves the character Zai. Now you might notice that the character Zai that we're looking at is right in here. And let's get to read the character. 不要纯真机海孙赛马. Okay, one more time. 不要纯真机海孙加马. All right, and what does this mean? Well, this is a negative sentence, okay? This is a negative, and so we're looking at negative. I can't write. It's negative, right? It's a negative. 不要. 不要 means, you know, no, don't want to. No, can't. 纯真 is a fax machine. Hey, by the way, does anybody use fax machines anywhere? That's actually a pretty good question that I came up with. And where is it at? Now this character, Sun. The character Sun means to exist. Here's Sun. The character means to, does it exist at or anymore of the location. So does it exist at, or does it exist anymore? And of course, I won't even discuss this one. This was the Ma. A very, you should know that one already. I want to tell you a little bit about this particular character is the G character. Today we are talking about the Zai characters, right? We're talking about this Zai character, but just for now, just for extra, I'm going to give you a Rocky extra credit here. And I want to talk to you about the G character. The G character means, I'm having to adjust the Rocky's advanced computer graphics. So the G character means, I should kind of back it up a little bit. Maybe that'll be better. All right. So the G character means machine. You know, if you're buying or selling, especially if you're selling, okay, it would be nice if I actually was able to write in English. If you're selling to China, you want to be able to use this machine. Now, when you're, I said Chuanzhenji. Chuanzhenji, you want to be able to add that character and it will make it the machine. Okay, it will distinguish it and make sure that that it is a machine that you're looking at. If you're buying and selling machines, make sure you use this character because you're in the process of negotiating and you're selling machines. Okay, so that's what you're doing. You're selling machines. Now let's look at character zai, and let's look at this particular sentence structure. 亲在为我们演讲. I just like to, this is something that maybe someone would want you to sing for them again. I'm not a very good singer, so you don't want to ask me this. Where is our character? Our character is right here. That's the zai character. Please again. Wei means to do. To do. 亲在为我们演讲, it means to sing. And also very simple characters, very simple structure, so that you can use this, in your speaking and make you a very powerful speaker in your Chinese repertoire. Let's go on. Our next sentence structure is, where is the zai character? Our zai character is right here. It is at the end of the sentence. Now let's go ahead and read our sentence. 我将在此鼓容易. Now this would be a very good sentence for you to listen to because somebody wants to hire you and pay you good bonuses as a Chinese consultant, or actually an American or foreign consultant. Okay? So this is something that you want to hear. This is also something that you want to read, right? So zai. Now in this case, the zai ci, I want you to look at these two characters right here. Zai ci. Zai ci is a really good combination characters, and that means to take action, or the action will follow very quickly. Okay, so they're going to hire you very, very quickly. So zai ci, this character and these two characters, character combination, is really another way to use the zai character. Okay, zai ci. You'll hear that a lot, and you will also be able to read that a lot. Sometimes if people are texting you, that'll also come out in your text. This combination of characters. Now let's look at our next sentence structure. Where is the zai character? The zai character is right here. All right. Now let's get to know this. 我包的不能再吃了. Okay. Now this zai character, what is it doing? Well, before we get to that, this character right here, or this sentence, is a negative sentence. It's a negative structure sentence. It's a negative structure sentence because of these two characters right here. 不能. 不能 makes this whole sentence a negative sentence. 不能 means you don't want. You don't want to anymore. Okay? So anytime you see this combination, it's a negative sentence. So 我们饱的. 饱 means to be full. You've had enough. 不能再吃了. That means 不能, you don't want to, not able to. At, and 吃 means to eat. So our third character is a very amazing, I think, an amazing character. Our third character is pronounced zai. And if you look at this character, it's a very complex character. It's three components, or a three-component combination character. You can see here is, well, I've been writing in blue. This is actually my brand new, hey, I'm a teacher, and I got to have a red pin, All right, let's look at the combinations. Here's 1, 2, and 3. Three character combination, very complex character that I'm going to show you. This character, as complex as it is, my goal is to teach you quite a bit of characters. Okay, so this is a complex character, but you should be familiar with it. Now let's go on with the sentence. Let's read the sentence. First of all, where is our character? Here it is. It's right there. I gotta switch pins now. Back to the blue one. 公交车承载了几个人? Okay. 公交车 is a bus. The character 乘 means to be able to carry. I didn't write it down. It means to be able to. Okay, to be able to. 乘. And 载, of course, means to carry. Now, I want to go back to this very, very beginning of the characters that we were learning in the very beginning. These characters that we're learning today are all very important. And the reason I picked them out is because when you're listening and speaking, if you notice, this character is pronounced zai, and this character is pronounced zai. The next one is pronounced zai. So they all sound the same. They're all in pinyin at least, they're written the same. But as you can see, they are actually not the same characters, and they mean so much more different. This is why a lot of students get confused, because they hear the word zai, and you hear the word zai, and when you're first beginning to learning, what happens is this, I would say, is the top 50 common words that you need to know, okay? I'm going to be teaching you at least these first 50. You have to know these first 50 just so that you can get around. So zai is very, very much so one of them. Next, I'm going to teach you the top, this is in the top 100, this particular zai. This character zai is in the time, there's my, Rocky's advanced graphic machine there. This is in the top 100, okay? So top 100 characters. This character, zai, is at least, I would say, in the 200 to 220 range. Nonetheless, it is nonetheless in the top 200 characters that you're going to be seeing. This character, zai, you'll be seeing it, and really, if you're doing contracts and you're doing negotiation, you're going to be reading this character, and you're also going to be writing this character. This character may even be on some of your contracts. For instance, carrying charges or carry surplus, carrying fees. I can guarantee you that this character is going to be right in there. Okay, so it's not enough for you to be able to speak and listen in Chinese. I'm teaching you how to really break it down and how to up your game so that you won't get confused. And not only will you not get confused, you're going to know exactly how to use these characters in a sentence structure. I want to thank you so much, okay? I want to thank you so much for joining me. And I'm going to go ahead and sign your paperwork. Today, I think you guys weren't so bad. I'm going to give you an 80, which is, an okay grade, all right? So this is Rocky, and I'm signing off. Zaijian.